Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and also subscribe. Maritime law is very different from common law in various ways, and it is natural to have lots of questions about what you can expect as your maritime injury case unfolds. Success with your case not only involves strict evidentiary requirements but also meeting various court-filing deadliness and navigating strict procedure. Working with an experienced Houston maritime injury attorney is the best approach to this difficult situation. Stevenson and Murray strives to provide client-focused legal counsel in every case we accept. We will take time to learn as much as possible about how and where your injury occurred, which maritime laws are likely to come into place as you seek compensation for your losses, and who is responsible for causing your injury. Many injured maritime workers in the Houston area are surprised to discover they can claim much the compensation than they initially anticipated once they secure a legal representative from our firm. We'll begin handling your case by ensuring it meets all procedural deadlines and gathering the evidence and testimony you need to ensure accountability for your injury. Next, we will compile your medical treatment records and perform a careful financial analysis to determine the total scope of the economic impact of your maritime injury. Our goal is to help you address your immediate needs after your injury as efficiently as possible while ensuring you will receive appropriate compensation for your anticipated future damages. Maritime injury cases differ greatly from standard personal injury suits and workers' compensation claims filed on land. Therefore, it is essential to find experienced legal counsel from a reliable Houston maritime injury attorney as soon as possible. You want the best chance of maximizing your recovery from this type of work-related injury. Our firm will help you settle your case as quickly as possible. But if litigation is unavoidable, we are prepared to represent you before a maritime law judge. Here are the maritime accident frequently asked questions. What is the difference between maritime law and common law? Common law is an unwritten set of laws based on judgment from past cases. Most court proceedings rely on previous cases' rulings to determine how the law applies to a case. Maritime law, also called admiralty law, pertains to parties performing business operations at sea and parties engaged with maritime operation on land. One major difference between these two types of cases is there is no jury in a maritime case. All proceedings unfold under the Maritime Personal Injury. Then, the Jones Act enables injured maritime workers to sue their employer when the action or negligence results in injuries. Proving fault in your maritime injury case will require establishing the defendant's duty of care and then providing they violated this duty of care in some way that directly resulted in the plaintiff's claimed damages. Your Houston maritime injury lawyer will be infallible for establishing liability for your injury. Then there's a question like, can I secure benefits from a maritime injury while filing a lawsuit against my employer for unseaworthiness of their vessels? The Jones Act enables an injured maritime worker to sue their employer for a workplace injury. Maritime workers are not covered by workers' compensation like most island-based employees. So Jones Act claims are a primary channels of recovery for any worker who sustains an injury because of their employer's negligence. Your attorney can assist you in securing maintenance and cure benefit before helping you build a Jones Act suit against your employer for unseaworthiness. No statutes prevent you from receiving maintenance and cure while filing a lawsuit against your employer. Can I lose my job if I file a Jones Act claim or other claim for a maritime injury? The answer is victims of maritime work injuries are legally protected from retaliation from their employers. This means that a ship owner or business owner cannot fire an employee who seeks maintenance and cure for a maritime work injury or one who files a Jones Act claim against the employer. Therefore, if you believe you have endured any illegal adverse treatment after filing your claim for maintenance and cure or a Jones Act claim, it is vital to consult your attorney as soon as possible. How long will it take to resolve my case? So the maritime law is very different from common law, and maritime court proceedings tend to unfold more rapidly. However, the exact timeline as maritime injury case will follow hinges on many variables. Therefore, if you want the best estimate of the time your case is likely to require to conclude, it is essential to consult an experienced Houston maritime injury lawyer as soon as possible to discuss your legal options. Stevenson and Murray is a Houston personal injury law firm that represents maritime accident victims and injured seamen working on the east coast of the United States, the Gulf of Mexico, and in oil fields and ports in the Middle East, Asia, Africa, Mexico, Azerbaijan, and Singapore. Many of our clients work in the petrochemical industry. However, we also experience with maritime accident cases involving directing work and in international shipping. Additionally, we represent commercial fishermen. Proving liability for wrongful death is similar to proving liability for an impersonal injury. The plaintiff must provide clear evidence that the defendant named in their complaint directly caused the damages the plaintiff sustained. In addition, regarding wrongful death claims under maritime law, the deceased surviving family must identify the party responsible for causing their loved one death and provide a complete list of the resulting damages. Stevenson and Murray strives to provide compensation and responsible legal counsel in every case we accept. We know how hard it can be to lose a loved one unexpectedly, especially when you know the death resulted from another party's negligence or misconduct. If you believe you have grounds for a wrong death claim under maritime law, a Houston maritime injury attorney is the best resource to have on your side as you work toward holding the responsible party accountable for your loved one's wrongful death. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe.